my guys, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Yes, yes. Today we are here at Kitiriba Sea Compound. Actually, I'm here to do branding work, as we said. Uh, we said that pipe is small, so we wanted to install another one, a big one, so that the water cannot remain up there. Actually, today we are here at Kitiriba seaside, so we are going to do small branding work here, replacing the pipe, yes, and some small uh, repair on the roof. So guys, uh, welcome to my channel. Keep watching, watch my channel, subscribe, comment and support. Guys, you are welcome to my channel. Actually, I'm very happy. I'm happy with you. So we're gonna be together and just see how it's gonna be done. Thank you guys. Welcome. Welcome again. Uh, as you can see, I'm Kitiriba Sea Compound. Yes, this is the house. Yeah, this is the Kitiriba Sea house. So actually here have the tools, the materials we're gonna use. This is the pipe. uh, this is a 4 millimeter pipe. Yes, as you can see, it's a 4 inch because that one uh, it is 3 inch, so we are going to use 4 inch. Yeah, we are going to replace this pipe here, 3 inch, with a 4 inch pipe. So guys, welcome. As you can see, after we're going to use this paint to paint the toilet toilet there, doors. As you can see, they are not painted. Yes, even the fishbowl has not been painted, so we are going to paint. uh, Here are the bends. We have 2 bends uh, for this bramping work. Actually, I have bought them today. So as you can see, there's one bend there, yes, and another one here. So I bought 2 of them, so we are going to use 2 of them on that side. Here we have 2 bends and 1 pipe, and this is the touchant, the one used for PVC, PVC special cement for rigid PVC fitting and pipes. You can see it. Yes, so we are going to use that. This one is for the paint. Yes, this one is for the paint, for mixing the paint, and we're gonna paint the doors. So actually, let's start for the pipes up there. So I'm going to take this ladder here and the cream up there and start doing my work. Actually, as I said earlier, uh, I do so many things. Actually, God blessed me with knowing such work, so too many works. I'm proud for it. So thank you, God, for giving me that talent. So this is not my first time doing plumbing. I have done it. Not all I know, but actually I know for the gutters and diverting water to the tank. For the house inside piping, I know some of them, and I'm still running to know all. So I'm on my way, knowing all the plumbing in the house. So you can wonder, Godfrey knows so many jobs. Actually, I was talented for knowing so many jobs. Thank you, guys. This is silicone. We're gonna use the silicone for keeping the nails up there. There's some nails up there which are leaking. We're gonna install silicone. So let me take this ladder and cream there. We're gonna see what's going on. Yes, as I said, I have already taken this ladder and I'm going to cream up there. So Let me crimp. This is the ladder. And we are going to crimp, though it's hard. Yes. Okay. Actually, at last we are in the roof, on top of the roof. Yes. As you can see, I'm trying to pass here. Yes. Yes. As you can see. So we are on top of the roof. So this is the hole. Actually, this hole, we said it's small. It cannot hold much water which is coming from this side here and this one. As you can see, the roof is big, so it can't hold. When it rains heavy, the water can't go through this hole. It just goes slowly. So we have to widen it. So as you can see, I've already traced. This is the 4-inch pipe, and this is a 3-inch pipe. So I'm marking it here. As you see, I have already marked, as you can see. So we are going to, as you have seen, I have already marked. So we are going to remove this one 3-inch and install with 4-inch. So let me start removing it. Yes, I have a chisel here and a hammer. So I'm going to use this chisel and a hammer. Yes. Let me start right now. Guys, as you can see, I have started making the hole. I'm gonna extend it to be 4-inch so that the pipe can pass. Yes, so I'm still doing it. So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to extend it to be bigger. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Yes. When I'm through with it, I'm going to install this pipe 4-inch so that it's gonna fit the hole. Keep watching, guys. Keep viewing. Yes. So as you can see, I have already finished opening the size of the hole. So I'm going down. So as you can see, this is from down. You can see I've opened enough size of the 4-inch pipe. So we are going to measure. Actually, yes, I'm a little bit shorter. So we are going to measure the pipe. Yes, up to here. Let's cut 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet. No, 22 inches. It's enough. It's enough. The slope can take the water inside the tank. So the other one was here, so we are going to reduce as a little bit small. So 22 is enough. Yes. So this is the pipe. We are going to measure it. We are going to cut. Let's cut 23 so that you can. Yeah. Yes. We have already cut. So we are going to insert it to the hole. Yes, as you can see, and cream. Yes. Yes. And to insert it. Yes. Yes. As you can see, we have already installed it. So we are going to cut the one which is going to the tank and fix it here. So you can see here. Yes. Guys, we are going to the top and see whether it's well fixed. We're going to crimp again. Radar is here. Yeah, from the top, actually you can see it's well fixed. The size, yeah, actually it's good. Yeah, so let's go then down and fix the other one. Actually here, as you can see, we are going to put a small wire mesh. We suggested, me and the other viewer, we suggested that it's gonna be, we're gonna put a wire mesh here. After putting a wire mesh, we are going to seal it with cement, a mixture of waterproof, yes, so that the water cannot penetrate to the blocks, to the house. So let's go down and fix the other part. Actually guys, so we are going to use this one. Yes, as you can see, the camera is shaking. Yes, just watch what I'm going to do. So I'm going to measure the pipe. Yeah. I'm going to measure the pipe from the tank to that pipe there, as you can see. Yes. So guys, I'm going to yes, this one, as you can see. As you can see, this one, we're gonna cut so the size of this one can enter inside here. So we are going to draw Yes guys, I have brought the knife. I'm gonna use the knife here. Yeah, it's doing good. Sometimes we use the available tools. Yes. Yes, I'm doing it. As you can see. Right. Yes. Yes. Look at this. So we are going to put the silicone here. We are going to put a silicone here so that it can straw. So I'm going to So guys, we are going to use this to seal the hole. Yes, we are going to use this one to seal the here. We are going to close here and turn it to see whether. So we are going to apply it here. Yes, as you can see. So we are going, as you can see, we are going to leave it to dry and then we're gonna install it there. So guys, continue watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, even support. Actually go to comment section, do something there. Thank you. Thank you guys. Continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Go there, subscribe, comment, go to my comment section, just comment something there. Thank you guys. Keep on watching so that we're gonna see how it's gonna end. Welcome. Come on. So as we are waiting for this to get dry, the silicone, so we are going to insert. Yes, we are going to insert this one here. Yes, before we glue it together, so you have to put it here, and then it seems that it's gonna need this part here to be expanded with a chisel and a hammer. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, from here to here. Yes. Yeah, it's already. Yes, gonna. So I have fitted it. So before we glue, we put the glue there. Before we put the gum, the glue here, we're gonna measure from here to the top of the tank. Yes. I think that one has already dried up. I'm gonna put it there so we can measure the length of the pipe from here until to the top of the tank. From there to this. So we are going to measure. Yes. Yes. As you can see, it has already dried up. We're gonna put it there. It's a hard work, you know. You know, I'm a cameraman, and also so actually, so we are going to measure from this part here to that part here, so we can get the measurement of the pipe. Let's go, man. We have already measured, so we have already got the measurements. So let's measure and the cut. Yes. Yes, it's right here. It's right here. 107 inches. Let's cut it because I am the one who is cutting. Let me pause the camera. Yes. So we have cut it, as you can see. So let's install it. Actually, when I get money, I'm going to buy a good camera. For now, my phone is shaking, very much shaking. So we are going to put it there. Yes, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm going to put it and then yes. So guys, after confirming that the pipes already fitting, let me show you clearly from the other side. Yes, if you can see, yes, if you make sure that the pipe is fitting, so we are going to use this to seal the joints. So we're gonna open it a little bit, and then we apply this glue. It's called touchant glue, so that it can be tight. So let's use this. Yes. So I have already applied this, as you can see. So as you can see, we have replaced 4-inch pipe with 3-inch pipe. So I hope that the water gonna run here smoothly. The other side remaining is the upper part. So as we said, we are going to put the wire mesh from top. After finishing putting wire mesh, we seal that part with a cement. I'm going to show you with a cement plus waterproof cement. You mix a waterproof cement and a cement, so you fix that part plus a wire mesh. So I'm going to do it as you are watching. Just view my channel. Actually, my viewers, you are viewing. The more you view, the more I grow. The more you view, the more I grow. So you guys, you are my supporters. Yes, as you can see now, it's okay. We have replaced it. So we are going the upper part and fix that wire mesh with a waterproof cement. Thank you guys. Keep watching as we're gonna finish this job together. You are with me. So guys, as before we go up there to seal that part, so we're gonna use the waterproof cement and sand. So we are going to mix them together so that we can use it to seal that part of the upper, so it cannot leak again. So let's mix, and then we're gonna go up there. Yes. Viewers, as you can see, we have already installed the 4-inch pipe. As you can see already, we have sealed with the cement and the waterproof. Actually, I don't have a cameraman, so actually you could have seen what I was doing, but I think you can copy from here what I have done. So here, as you can see this, I'm going to cut it here to 2 so that I can place there wherever it enters, so I can measure. So we're gonna put the net here. After finishing put the net, and I'm going to apply a silicone. After applying a silicone, so I will insert there so it can be permanent. So it's gonna go down a little bit so that the water can pass in a way that there's no resistance of the water outside here. So guys, for now I think you have seen what I have done. I'm a little bit I'm not a plumber, but I'm trying my best. But I have done it for several, and I know some of them Actually, for now, we have seen what we have done. So this is the roof. As you can see, I have already applied the silicone. All the nails here has got silicone so that the lane cannot penetrate to the ceiling. So I have applied the silicone all over. So I have done that, and I have already extended this hole here, so you can see my work. Actually, let it go to my comment section. Just say comment there. Wherever your comment, I will reply according the way you ask. Actually, I love you guys. I love you guys. Yeah, you have been my support me so that I can get hours. So watch my videos until the end so that I can get those hours. Actually, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So we are going to go down. This is the ladder. So I'm going to go down very carefully so that I cannot fall. So guys, you have been here watching my videos. Thank you so much. So I'm going to show you from down what I have done there. So let's go and see. Yes. So from down here, you can see I have sealed that part with a cement and a waterproof. So there's no water can penetrate there. So when it dries up, we're going to sandpaper and apply the paint again so that it can look very nice. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. As you can see now, the water can pass. Actually, if we finish from the top, I'll let it dry. Yes, I think you have seen what I have done. My viewers, thank you for watching. I'll always thank you because you are doing. I know you're gonna push me to 2,000 subscribers. Actually, I hope so, and I know you're gonna do it, my guys, my viewers. So guys, thank you. Let me go around. Yes, thank you. And I know you're gonna push me to 2,000 viewers. I will appreciate so much, guys. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, comment, and like. So we are going to see what we are going to do next. Yes, let's see. Yes, thank you for watching. Actually, I think you have been watching from the beginning until the end. So as you can see, I'm a goodie plumber. So next time, give me a job. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and even like. Welcome to my channel. You guys, you are wonderful. I think we are going to see if I can help him with the paint. So he told me I'm gonna paint for him. Yes, the doors of the toilet. So I'm going to help him for free. Actually, he's my guy. Let us help each other. Actually, as for now, if you can help me reach to 2,000 subscribers, I will be grateful. You guys, I know you are wonderful. I know you can promote me reach there. I know. So even the views are alright, but about the minutes, about the hours, actually, I request you guys to watch my video until the end so that I can reach where I'm supposed to be. Guys, thank you guys. Keep watching and have a good time. Bye bye.